Hi guys, this is Sulaiman Shahjahan from learnwp.net. So what is WordPress? WordPress is a CMS or content management system that helps you build websites easily, and it powers more than 35% of websites on the internet. With WordPress you can build any type of websites and blogs. So to install WordPress, you need two things. Number one, you need a XAMPP in your system. And second, we will download WordPress. Without XAMPP, we cannot use WordPress. To XAMPP, we will run database and use PHP. That is because WordPress uses PHP and XAMPP will help us execute PHP and run a database which WordPress uses. After we have downloaded XAMPP, we will install it on our PC. And once XAMPP is installed, we will configure WordPress inside XAMPP. And when WordPress is configured, we will be able to run it on our browser. But when you run WordPress on your browser, then your server will be localhost because you have set up WordPress in your local PC. If you install it live on domain name, then it will run through your domain name. But if you work on local PC, so your server is localhost. So let's start downloading WordPress. Open your browser. I am using Chrome. You can use whatever you prefer. So just type here download WordPress. You will see very first link which is from wordpress.org. Just click on this first link and then click on this blue download button. Now open another tab to download XAMPP. Right here, download XAMPP. Again, go to very first link which is from apachefrench.org and download the last version. Okay, so once downloading is completed, go to your downloads folder and you will see both of these files are there. Now let's install XAMPP. Okay, so I am installing it on C drive, but you can install it on any drive that you like. Click on next, next. Just close this tab and click on next again. Okay, now let's just click on finish. So as soon as you click on finish, it will open a control panel. In control panel, we have two options, Apache and MySQL. We have to start both these engines. That is because we will be using PHP and a database, which is why we have to start Apache and MySQL. So let's just click on start for both of them. So you have to remember, whenever you create a WordPress website in your local PC, you will open XAMPP control panel and start both these engines. Okay. Now that we have installed XAMPP on our PC, we have started Apache and MySQL. We will go to download folder again and just copy this zip file which was provided by WordPress. Okay. Now when we installed XAMPP, it created a XAMPP folder in C drive. Okay. And inside XAMPP we have a folder named htdocs. This is where we will be creating all of our websites. Go to htdocs and paste the file that we copied and just extract it here. Now if you see, after extraction we have a folder named WordPress. Just rename it to your project. Like my project is LearnWP, or my website name is LearnWP, I will write here LearnWP. So we have added WordPress inside XAMPP, but it is not installed yet. We have just added the files. Okay, so to install WordPress inside XAMPP, we first have to create a database. To create a database, go to your browser, open a new tab and write here your server name, which is localhost /php myadmin. So this is MySQL dashboard where we can create database. Now just click on this databases button and write your database name here. Remember, whenever you are going to create a website, you will create a separate database for each website. Okay, so our project name is LearnWP. I will name the database same and click on create. As soon as you click create, you see we have this LearnWP database here. Now we don't need this tab anymore, just close this. Now to install WordPress, go to your website. To access your website in browser, you will write your server name, which is localhost, then slash and your folder name or your project name, which is LearnWP, and press enter. Now the installation process starts. It will ask you for the language. You will select English and click on continue. Now it will ask you for configuration of your database, which we just created. Click on let's go, and this is where we will add the database, which is LearnWP. And now username and password are created automatically when you create a WordPress database in PHP myadmin. And the default username is root and the password is blank. You can leave the host as it is and table prefix as it is. Remember, whenever you create a database in PHP myadmin, it automatically creates a username and password. The username is root and the password is blank. Just click on submit and click on run the installation. And now this will ask you more information, like what is your website title and the username password for logging into your admin area. My website title will be Learn WordPress from Scratch, and username you can put admin, password admin. Now you have to click on confirm use of weak password, and here you can put any email that you would like. I will just add here admin@learnwp.net, and this is search engine visibility, which is not needed now. So just click on install WordPress. So we have installed WordPress successfully. Remember, as soon as you install WordPress, it gets divided into two parts. Okay, the number one part is your WordPress dashboard, which is where you will manage your website, where you will add themes, where you will add pages, images and posts. Okay, and the other part is your website front end or your website. You can access your website on the browser. Like I said before, your server name following your website folder name LearnWP. So when you install WordPress, it just gives you a very simple or basic theme. Okay, you can either use this theme or we can create another theme and work on that. And let me show you how to access your dashboard. To access your dashboard, right here localhost your folder name /wp-admin. To access your dashboard, you will write wp-admin and press enter. And here you will add the username and password which we created, admin and press enter. So this is the dashboard that WordPress provides you. Here you can see we have pages, media, where we will be uploading our pictures, videos and posts, and comments, plugins and so we will check all of these step by step in the next videos, and we will learn how to create a complete WordPress website from scratch. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so, and in comments leave your message that why do you want to learn WordPress, what inspires you to learn WordPress. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave a comment. Thank you so much.